Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. So today we are going to discuss about some series and parallel circuit. So how current and voltage act in a series and parallel circuit. Also some basic component like resistor and capacitor. How they act in a series circuit and parallel circuit. Okay. So first we will start with series circuit. So current remains same in a series circuit across all the electronic components and voltage remains same in a parallel circuit across all the electronic component. So in a series circuit, voltage divide, and in a parallel circuit, current divided. So you can see the series and parallel combinations here. Like these components are connected in a series, so it's a series combination, and these components are connected parallel. So current remains same across all the components, but voltage divide across C1, C2 and C3. Similarly, as we talk about here, the voltage remains same, C1, C2 and C3, but current divided. And a good example of this, that how we can remember this thing, like our houses, we get a voltage of across 220 to 230 voltages. So as you can see, our houses are connected parallel with the grid. That's why we are getting exactly same voltages in all the houses. It's a good example to remember how voltage act in series or parallel. Okay, so let's move toward the series circuit. Let's talk about resistor, how it's act. So here we have three resistor R1, R2 and R3 with a resistance of 1 kilo ohm, 5 kilo ohm and 500 ohm. So in a series circuit, we have just simply merge them up, sum up. Okay, R1 1 kilo ohm plus 5 kilo ohm and plus 500 ohm. The total resistance will become 6500 ohm, or you can simply say 6.5 kilo ohm. We can go for some simulation as well in multisim to check its resistance. So first resistor is of 1 kilo ohm, second is of 5 kilo ohm. Okay, mistakenly I'm taking the capacitor, it's not resistor. Okay, 1 kilo ohm, 5 kilo ohm and 500 ohm. So here we have three resistor. Let's zoom a little bit. Now we are going to connect them in series like this. We need a multimeter. It's a digital multimeter. Okay, now check the resistance by converting it to here. So here we get 6.5 kilo ohm. Okay, so it's confirmed now. Okay, how resistor act in a parallel circuit? The formula will become like 1 upon RT is equals to 1 upon R1 plus 1 upon R2 and plus 1 upon Rn, number of resistance. So here we have three resistance, so we can just put it like this, and we can do its calculation on Excel, which could be easier for us, like this: 1 upon 1000, 1 upon 5000 and 1 upon 500. It's 1k, it's 5k and it's 500. Okay, now what we have to do, we have to merge them up. So we are going to design a simple formula here. 1 divided by plus this plus this and close the bracket. So the total resistance will become 312.5 ohm RT. Let's check it on multisim. First we have to disconnect all these things like this, place it like this. Okay, I'm going to connect them parallelly. Okay, now run. So here you can see the total resistance in parallel will become 312.5 ohm. Okay, so the calculated value and measured value is totally same. Now let's talk about capacitor. Okay, so capacitor in a series circuit, uh, you can combine it like this formula. Okay, as we have following this formula like parallel circuit and series circuit of capacitor, you can say that these things are similar. In a parallel circuit, 1 upon RT is equals to 1 upon R1 plus 1 upon R2 and 1 plus 1 upon Rn. And similarly, in a series circuit, capacitor add up like this. Okay, so here we have 3 capacitor, 1 microfarad, 2.2 microfarad and 1 microfarad. So let's see what will be a total capacitance. Again, we are moving here towards the axle. 1 macro, 2.2 macro and 1 macro. ठीक है, 1 is equals to 1 exponent minus 6, 1 divided by 2.2 exponent minus 6, 1 1 divided by 1 exponent minus 6. Okay, now what we have to do, we have to sum up all these capacitance. 1 divided by this plus this and close the bracket. So the total capacitance will become 4.07 10 exponent minus 7. You can write it 407 exponent minus 9. It will be equivalent 407.41 exponent minus 9. Okay, you can see here it is equivalent to this. So in a series circuit, the capacitance will be the 407 nanofarad. Okay, so let's talk about parallel circuit of capacitor. So it's similar to the formula of series circuit for resistor, right? So our total capacitance will become 1 microfarad plus 2.2 microfarad plus 1 microfarad, equivalent to 4.2 microfarad. Okay, so this is how capacitor and resistor act in series and parallel circuit, and now you know how it's work and what will be the current in series or parallel and voltage in series and parallel. I hope you like this video. Inshallah, in next video I will teach you about little bit about resistor and capacitor in briefly. Thank you for watching this video. Allah Hafiz.